Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's Art by Donna. And no, you are not on last week's video. This is a brand new video. Actually, I did this before I did last week's. And you're going to see something a little different here. And I will apologize first for being a little bit out of frame, but that does get corrected as we go along. So sit back and I will explain to you what we're doing here as we go along. We are using the Shop Resin Molds Wing Heart Mold, and we are using Let's Resin, black epoxy resin, white epoxy resin, and turquoise. Here you're going to see me dip in those flowers that I'm using in the middle. I dip that into my resin. This way we will not get any bubbles because I took my precaution and I dunked that in. Got that nice and saturated. And now we are going to add a little more white around the edges here for the in-between. I just love these pre-mixed colors. The black and the white causes such beautiful effects when you use them together. So let me go ahead and speed this up for you. I'm sure you don't want to sit here and just watch me pour. I came in over here and I threw in some holographic chunky glitter. And for the life of me, I really don't know why I did that. I don't think this really needed anything else. But I don't know. I don't know what to say. The devil made me do it, maybe. But it really didn't matter. It didn't show too much on the other side, which I was happy, as you will see when I do demold this piece. And here it is, demold time, and I am out of frame again. Sorry about that. And I do struggle a bit here. Eventually, I get it. There we go. The struggle is real, people. The struggle is real. But always well worth it, I must say. Well worth the wait. No peeps. This is an awesome mold, I have to say. Very detailed and beautiful. I still don't know why I put that chunky glitter back there. I don't know. Don't get it. Okay, let's get you in frame, I hope. Now, can you see the dimension in there? Look at those. Look at that. That has the black in the back. And look at the dimension. Amazing. I'm going to take this outside for you because you have to see how gorgeous this piece is. Absolutely stunning. I love it. I love black, white, and that hint of turquoise. So here we are outside, and inside you could not see through it, but when I took it outside, you can see the dimension and you can see through this piece. It has the black background, but somehow you have like a peekaboo background. I'd like to take just a moment of your time and thank my members and those who gave super thanks last week. I am grateful for you all. I'd like to also thank each and every one of you who have made it this far in the video. I appreciate that. If you can just give me a thumbs up, and if you have time, please leave me a comment. I would be forever grateful. And if by chance you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so now and hit that all button so you'll be notified when my next video comes out. I certainly would love to have you back again. If you've never shared a video, how about doing one right now? Hit that share button and share my video. It doesn't cost you 1 red cent, and you never know, it may bring me a few pennies. And if you haven't had a chance, take a look at your neighbor and say hello and make a friend today. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. I Shoot Crafty Kids Club is next. Thank you for coming. Till next time. Bye-bye now.